Hey party people, I'm Theo Dorsey and this is the Palm Beaches TV Now, your front row seat to all the fun in Palm Beach County, Florida. Today, the celebration begins with the Telly Award-winning series Fest Quest in the Palm Beaches, hosted by Hing. From dancing in the streets to savoring global eats, Fest Quest in the Palm Beaches spotlights the most vibrant celebrations across the county. Whether it's music, film, food, or culture, there's a festival for every vibe. First up, we're raising our steins at Oktoberfest in Lake Worth Beach with polka, pretzels, and plenty of schnitzel and bratwurst. This festival brings the taste of Bavaria to South Florida.
Craving a taste of Germany without the long flight? Well, you're in luck. Every year, Oktoberfest brings the spirit of Bavaria right here to Lake Worth. Yes, you heard that right. Germany is closer than you think. Hi, Christina.
Hello.
Thank you so much for having me at the Alpine Boutique. Tell me about the history of the attire for Oktoberfest.
So the ladies wear dirndls like what I have on, and then the men tend to wear the leather pants. Originally, they were utilitarian. They were what the farm ladies wore. So now we've made them fashionable.
Tell me about the bows. I heard that wherever you place the bow determines your relationship status.
Yes, it does. So on the right means that you're married or taken. On the left is single. In the middle is kind of undecided or ready for a party.
And then
a back is a widow or a waitress, because you want the bow out of the way if you're working.
Okay, I think I'm ready for Oktoberfest.
No, you're not. You have to get dressed.
Well, dress me.
Let's go.
Thank you for getting me ready for Oktoberfest.
You look fabulous.
Thank you. So after this event, how can people get in touch with you?
They can contact the club and I make special arrangements to meet people, or then during our Halfway to Oktoberfest and Chris Kindle and some of the other events we set up inside, but it'll be posted.
Next, we're centering ourselves at Eudemonia, a festival dedicated to health, wellness, and balance of body, mind, and soul. From nutrition tips to holistic workshops and mindful movement experiences, this event is a celebration of feeling good, inside and out.
From inspiring talks and immersive classes to mindful movement and nourishing foods, this event has it all. What was the vision when you first started Eudemonia?
So I was inspired somewhere around the pandemic days. There was an explosion of interest in people who I think were really, for the first time, taking a very active role in their health and wellness, turning to, I think, some very credible batch of online personalities, people like Andrew Huberman and Dr. Mark Hyman. All of them came out in that time and really started to see growth. And I saw it as a larger societal trend where people were just more active in participating in their health and wellness and looking for information that would help them along the journey and a path towards greater, both mental and physical health.
Winterfest is back, and it's bigger, bolder, and cooler than ever. This year, it's taking over the National Polo Center with its Florida-style holiday magic. Let's take a look at last year's event with the one and only Vanilla Ice.
Let's check out Vanilla Ice's car show.
What can I get for you, young girl?
I want to see Vanilla Ice.
Vanilla Ice? We'll see what we can do about that.
Right here, right now, on this stage here tonight, the one and only Vanilla Ice!
I'm gonna take y'all back to the greatest decade in the world, the 90s. Stop as I drop this bomb, blow up this place like another Vietnam. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. You said ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Walk to the smoke on stage and the girls scream. Got 'em hot, got 'em damp like ice cream. Thank you to the Wellington Chamber for pulling this off. The mayor, give him a hand.
The Steins, Serenity, and Seasonal Spirit, FestQuest uncovers the festivals that make the Palm Beaches shine. If you missed season 1 of FestQuest in the Palm Beaches, watch it anytime on demand at thepalmbeaches.tv. Head on over to the On Demand section, scroll down to FestQuest, and relive the excitement as Cindy takes you from hot air balloons at the South Florida Fairgrounds to pirates and mermaids in Boynton Beach. She also delights in flavors at Murakami's Taste of Asia, fires up fun at the annual Torrey Island Barbecue, immerses herself in art at Artie Gras and the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival, and celebrates Lunar New Year in style with toasting to the good life at the Palm Beach Food and Wine Festival. I'm Theo Dorsey. Until next time, stay festive, friends.